and soul is entirely separate to the body. No offense to Descartes, but I completely disagree. Our intelligence, emotions, and consciousness arise from the billions of neurons in our brains, which are intricately connected to our bodies in a complex network. This neural network processes an immense amount of information. Performing a synchronized dance of communication, it enables us to think and act. Neurons communicate through changes in their electrical activity, sending Morse code-like messages between brain and body. But we still don't really know how to decode these messages or how they are produced. Understanding the relationship between brain and body is vital to treat disorders such as stroke and Parkinson's, as well as to develop new technologies like brain-computer interfaces and neuroprostheses. I am breaking the wall between brain and body by building multidisciplinary computational models using next-generation artificial neural networks. I have built a model of tens of thousands of neurons with hundreds of millions of connections between them to replicate the structure and activity in the part of our brain called the motor cortex. I then combine this with biomechanical models of the musculoskeletal system to be able to produce digital simulations of human movement. Using computational models is necessary to be able to investigate complex interrelated systems which are difficult to measure or perform experiments on. This approach will help us decode the language the brain uses to control our body. This approach can also be extended to other regions of the brain and other organ systems of the body to investigate their complex interrelationship. Emulating the structure and function of the human nervous system will also inspire new forms of artificial intelligence. Today's AI can interpret and generate text and images, but the next step is to be able to build physically intelligent systems that can interact with us and the world around us. Through a multidisciplinary approach, combining not only neuroscience and engineering, but also psychology, philosophy, and ethics, we can develop neurotechnologies that have the potential to transform human existence and benefit everyone. Cool. Thank you.